Good day. Welcome to another video where we'll explore an interesting topic related to mathematics. Drawing a parabola in AutoCAD. Many AutoCAD users know that there isn't a command called parabola. In the previous video, we used the command to draw an ellipse, but we also demonstrated that it can be drawn without that command. To begin, let us understand what a parabola is. We'll start with a definition. A parabola is a curve where every point is always the same distance from this line, called the directrix, and this point called the focus. Here I've already set up a model that I'll use to demonstrate how a parabola can be constructed. I won't go into details about constraints, since we've covered them multiple times before. What's important is that this distance must always equal this distance. There also has to be perpendicularity between these two lines. This line here is always attached and rotates around this center. These are the key elements for modeling a parabola. And now, as you can see, when I move this vertical line, I get a set of points that form the parabola. So the question is, how do we draw a parabola in AutoCAD? Surely we don't want to model it this way every time, drawing a bunch of points, connecting them, and then only approximately calling it a parabola. Of course not. And once again, mathematics helps us here. So what do? First, we draw an auxiliary line. Let's make it horizontal. Next, we draw a circle from the same focus point, with a radius equal to this distance to 0. Notice these 2 points here. At those points, we'll place a spline. But be careful, there are 2 types of splines. We will not use the fit spline, but the control vertices. We select this point, this one, and this one. And here you have your parabola. Even though it says spline, what you've actually drawn is a parabola. I'll zoom in and start dragging this line across this area. As you can see, we've got a perfectly accurate parabola. So yes, there is a way to do it. You might not have known it before, but with a spline, you can draw a parabola in AutoCAD. If you found this video interesting and would like us to go deeper into why we had to construct it in this exact way, why these particular points are used as control points, hit the like button, leave a comment, and we'll dive into resources from mathematics that prove this is indeed a correct way to construct a parabola. Also, if you're curious, we can go even further and explore these parameters. Here you see control point 1, 2 and 3. This weight parameter can be changed. For example, setting it to 1 instead of -1. What's important is that all of them remain equal. 1, 2, 3, it doesn't matter as long as they're the same. Mathematics is working in the background to give us this parabola shape. Math makes it possible, AutoCAD makes it visible.